Alrighty guys, welcome back. We are back here at Ford. So we already, let's see here. Yeah, we already built the Maverick. Where are you, Maverick? Oh, there you are. So that was fun. So today we're going to build, not the Bronco, although that's going to be fun, but we're going to start off building the Bronco Sport. Now, I actually got to drive these. Really nice feeling cars. They feel really good. Really do like them. So we got base, we got the Big Bend, we have the Outer Banks, we have Badlands, and of course we have First Edition. So, I'm going to start off with the base and just see what we have to offer. So we have Ford colors. So nothing really fascinating there. By the way, this is the Combustion Guys hunting cars online, in case you missed it. And yes, we are going through here. So let's see. Ooh, boy, we have all kinds of stuff. Okay, so we have splash guards. Let's see, I'm going to get a lighter color so we can see these. There we go. So that'll make a bit of difference. So this is fender flare. Ooh, yeah, fender flares. I like fender flares, yep. Oh, so that's body panel color. I mean, that's cool, but yeah, it doesn't work. Sorry. Gotta go with the black. Oh, yeah, looks good. Alright, so don't need the button flaps kit front. Let's see, this is what is this? This is just, okay. Oh, but this is the, okay, yeah. So we're going to go to that. Get rid of that. There we go. So now we got our Bronco labeled mud flaps. Very nice. So we got the seats. These are cloth seats. Not overly thrilled with that, but hey, you get what you get. And definitely want a cargo mat in the back so that we can slide stuff in, slide stuff out. Floor liners, center console vault. Don't need any of that. We do have the EcoBoost. Let's see, what is this guy? This guy's making. They don't tell you how much horsepower he's making, which is lovely. I love it when they don't tell you things. It makes things very interesting because it's like, and also too, Motor Trend doesn't give you the horsepower specs in the yearly model release anymore, which I'm very angry with them about. So Motor Trend, if you ever watch this, I do want to know the horsepower on the engines. It's very helpful. So anyways, you got basic equipment group, which is what I'd want. Looks like we have, yeah, once again we have this. I really don't like this. I really don't like having, it's way too much like Chevy. And even on Chevy 2, this is all very irritating as well, because you have to go under all these different things. Subaru has something like this as well, but it's a little bit better organized. Let's see. Deflectors, those are nice. Bumper protect rear, we don't need any of that. Splash guards, already got that taken care of. Oh, sure, we'll put a hitch trailer cap on the options, that'll be good. Actual coin cup, comfort and convenience, door sill plates. Wheel locks, okay. So that, yeah, not much to choose from on the base. It really keeps it pretty cheap, because you end up being, let's see here, go all the way down. So $30,803 in total on this little guy, which for a little SUV that has 4 doors, that's really not that bad. That is pretty good. So let's go back to the models here. We obviously have Big Bend, a step above the essential with added features to make getting outdoors easier, refined interior, exterior finishes with standard Bronco Sport capability. I think we're going to want to check out the Outer Banks. Badlands, Pinnacle Broncos performance group for rugged terrain and off for excitement. Yeah, so it's like, I don't usually go to the fullest extent of a vehicle if I'm looking at something. I'm usually going to be going with something a little bit below that. This is just my shopping thinking here. I'm going to go a little bit below because I want it capable, but I don't want it overly capable. If that makes any sense. I don't want the highest pinnacle of stuff because one, that's expensive, but also two, it's like it really just makes it an outdoors vehicle. It's not capable of doing much else. It's really made for outdoors compared to just being a around the town car that can go off-road if it needs to. So hopefully that explains my thinking a little bit more. Let's see here. So colors, we got Area 51, which looks really good. We also have the Shadow Black. We have the Alto Blue. We have the Kodiak Brown, Iconic Silver, Rapid Red, Carbonized Gray, Cactus, and Oxford White. We're going with Cactus. I really do like this Cactus color. This looks really good. It gives you a little bit of greenish in the gray. It looks really good. I like it. Alrighty, so we got Fender Flare Kit. Looks good. We got roof rail. Got our mud flaps. Well, we got the roof rail up there, so I don't need the crossbar. Color. Let's see. What is this? Navy Pure. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Yep. Ebony brown, navy pure. I'm going with the navy pure on this one. That looks good. Alrighty. Assistance group, dual zone electronic, automatic temperature control. Yes, thank you. 8-way power driver's seat with lumbar. Ooh, sounds good. Let's see here. Just going through now. Does this one tell you? Nope, it doesn't tell you how much horsepower is in the engine. That is unfortunate. I want to know that. Class 2 trailer tow package with trailer sway control. What does that mean? Of course, it doesn't tell you. Well, that's helpful. Let's see here. Outer bank snow power moonroof includes HD radio. Yeah, don't need that. This really don't think I need this. So then, what was this? The fourth adaptive cruise evasive. Definitely don't need that. I don't need anything else in my car telling it what to do. I'm the one in the car that's supposed to be telling it what to do, not electronic gizmo gadget thingy. Alright, dash cam in rear, dash cam, infrared camera. Don't need that. Keyless entry, charging, battery charger, maintainer, blah blah blah. Yeah, don't need any of that. Let's see here. Get the side deflectors added in there. Accent carriers, don't need any of those. Splash guards, already got that taken care of with the mud flaps, which is nice. Go and get my Bronco label trailer hitch. Definitely want that. Interior, we got anything, door sills, yep, that's about all the same. Seat covers, yep, that's about all the same. And that's all of that. So, take a look here. This car looks really good. I like this. These look really good. I really do like these little Broncos. These things look neat. So, it looks good. I like it. I like this cactus gray on it. And, nice looking car. It really is. So, let's see. What is the grand total here? $36,318. So, only $6,000 over what the base level was spec'd out. That's not bad. That is not bad. That's 6,000 more to get a little bit more capability and a little bit more rugged looking. That looks pretty good. Not bad. So, go ahead and check out what the Badlands has to offer here. Just see what's going on. Oh yeah, so we get like, let's see here. We got Area 51. Alto blue, and then of course we get let's see, is this a special iconic silver, Kodiak brown, which looks interesting, and then we get the cyber orange added. We also get 2 different wheel options, look interesting. We get a gray roof, that just looks weird. Not much. Let's see, what is this? Active orange. Oh, interior. Nice. Okay, very nice. See if we can upgrade to leather trimmed. Oh, nope, can't upgrade leather trimmed. It only comes with cloth. At that point, I'm definitely not doing that. And really about the same amount of options. Not much has changed on this. It has advanced 4x4, so that probably means that it's sensing what tire and stuff needs to spin more for like off-roading and stuff. So that's probably what that is. But the Badlands, it doesn't look too bad. It looks pretty good. Nice. Alrighty, guys, that's going to wrap us up for the Bronco Sport. But I'm probably honestly going to be going with Outer Banks. I think, is that the one I went with? Yeah, I think I went with that one if I remember correctly. So, Outer Banks is probably the trim I'd be looking at, just to save a few bucks, but also to be able to get that perfect blend of round the town all week long used car versus just made for off-roading during the weekend. So, I'd definitely probably go with Outer Banks. But those are nice. Those look good. But next time we will have to look at a certain big brother of the Bronco Sport, but you have to come back another time. Thanks for watching, guys. See you here next time.